Hey guys, so I'm just showing you guys me washing my hair. So I received one bundle from Ideal Hair Company, and it's a 12-inch straight, and I'm just showing you guys me washing my hair before using it. I use Aussie products. Now here I'm just showing you guys a simple I'm using Got to Be glue here just to, you know, gel down my ponytail, using a comb to sleek it down, get that sleek look. Yeah, so I'm just trying to speed up the process here. I was actually gonna do a leave out, but I decided just to do a ponytail instead, have that nice cute natural look. This was sponsored by Ideal Hair. Go check them out. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Again, that's Ideal Hair, IDEAL Hair. Y'all, they have some bomb wicked hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I actually used to buy their hair with my own money as well. So I definitely used this hair company before, so I was ecstatic when they offered me the sponsorship. So I'm just holding down, well, I'm trying to wrap my head. Just you know, hair sticking out kind of all over the place. So I'm just tying it down a little bit. You know, looking like a ninja turtle. Screwing up my face a little bit. And just tying down them edges. As you'll see, I didn't leave them on. Yeah, Tahnee, you thought that could wrap around again. Let's just wrap it in the back. Alright, guys. Like I said, I didn't leave this on for long. I'm just going to actually wrap my ponytail around it now. Allergies have me scratching my nose. And y'all, look at the bundle. You guys, it's so beautiful. Ooh. It's full from root to tip. It's really nice, y'all. Like, it's really nice. It's super soft. Very soft. Like, very, very soft. And it's so full. It's shiny. You guys could tell. Like, top to bottom, root to tip. Look at that. I wish you guys could actually touch it. But you guys, you could tell the difference between, like, you know, 8A hair and raw hair. You guys could really, really tell. Oh, you guys actually do get your money's worth for this hair, and it's really at a good price. If you guys, I will send you all his details down below for my for the person responsible for this hair, for sending me this hair. I'll give you all this information down below. So yes, I will actually give you his information. You could just tell him that Tahnee sent you, and you guys just go for the best quality hair that he has. I guarantee you there's no complaints on this hair. Very minimal shedding. It's super soft. You could feel the difference. It's silky. It's not like shiny, like fake shiny. It's like a genuine shine. It's genuine softness. You could touch it and tell that it's raw virgin hair. Y'all, it feels nice. Anyways, guys, I'm just going to do a really quick method. I'm just going to use about 2 bobby pins, maybe 3 max. And yes, this will stay. I'm doing this the lazy way just to show you guys that if you're in a rush like me, you can just pop that bad boy on with 2 bobby pins and you're good to go. You can achieve this look. How do I look like a ninja turtle? This thing on my head. Listen down. Now this is cute. Nice. Oh, yeah. These little edges. Alright guys, so you already done seen. And look, it blends well, guys. It blends very well. Alright guys, so you already done seen. And look, it blends well. Yeah, I should have put it more to the side so you guys can see, but okay. In terms of luster, this is like 10 on 10, guys. Yeah, this is really, really nice hair. So thank you so much, Ideal Hair, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you guys. I really love your hair. I kid you not, guys. I really love this. And when I do take this out, I'm going to reuse this again. And I will do sew-in. Yes, with just this one bundle. I will do a sew-in. Just to make it look so natural. If I had more time, I would have done it today, but I don't. So yeah. Get y'all some good hair. If you guys could only feel this. Hold on. Y'all. Take a feel, take a feel, take a feel. Ooh, feels nice, huh? Feels nice. Ooh. You guys, I'm... my hair. And yes, I told you 2 bobby pins is more than enough. Look, it didn't drop nothing. By the way, I did not get shedding from this hair. And yes, I'm surprised because like hair sheds. So I'm Very surprised. This is really good quality hair. Really, 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 really good quality hair. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like I said, if you want to purchase, his name is Jammie or Jamie. I'm gonna leave that in the description down below. Yeah, talk to him. Tell him that Tahnee sent you. Prices are good, guys. I could guarantee you, y'all have some good prices. Ask for the best quality here. The one that Tahnee has. Tahnee. I told you once, I'll tell you again. Y'all could get 8A if you want, but it's not necessarily gonna be the same quality. You get what you pay for, and even for the best quality here, you guys, the prices is good. And look how full it is. One more flip, y'all. One more flip. Alright, guys. Until next time, always remember, be bold, be brave, be blessed, be kind, be beautiful, be lovely, and be safe. Don't forget to hit up my dude down below. Let him hook you up with that cute hair, y'all, so y'all could go looking all bougie and fly. Lift your holiday spirits, y'all. Peace, much love. Bye.